Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to turn on audio capture when you are recording gaming on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on Start. Then go ahead and click on Settings right here. Then go ahead and click on Gaming. Click on Captures. The next thing you want to do right here is to, under the capture audio while recording a game, go ahead and enable this button. Once you turn on this button, click on here to adjust the volume of the recording and at the same time the recording quality. So you can click on here and increase the kbps, and the recommended one right here is 128 right here. That is for audio quality. The microphone recordings volume, system recording volume, you can adjust the microphone recording volume right here. So it's that simple. You are done. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC gaming settings like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.